Pedir, which means to ask for. Not to ask a question, to ask for. Like it says here, solicitar o requerir algo. To request something de alguien, someone. Request something from someone. Yo pido, tú pides, él, ella, usted pide, nosotros, nosotras pedimos, ellos, ellas, ustedes piden. Pido un cappuccino con chocolate cada vez que vengo a esa cafetería. So I ask for or I order, pedir is also to order, a cappuccino with chocolate every time, cada vez, every time que vengo a esa cafetería, that I come to this coffee shop. Okay. Los niños piden al profesor explicar las reglas del juego otra vez. So the kids ask the teacher to explain the rules of the game again. La mujer pide ayuda a la policía. The woman asks for help to the police. Pedir información. Some expressions. Si necesitamos algo, pedimos información a la recepcionista. If we need something, we ask for information to the receptionist. Pedir disculpa is to apologize. I apologize o pido disculpas por lo que dije antes de tomar mi café. I apologize for what I said before I had my coffee. Pedir permiso is to ask for permission. Tienes que pedir permiso por escrito para faltar tantos días. You have to ask for permission by writing or in a document to miss so many days. Pedir una cita, to ask for an appointment. El jefe pide una cita médica para su secretaria. The boss asks for an appointment, a medical appointment for his secretary. Pedir favores is to ask for a favor. No me gusta pedir favores, pero a veces es necesario. I don't like to ask for favors, but sometimes it's necessary. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and subscribing to my videos. That really helps me to create more and better content. I invite you to join the Spanish Language Hub, which is absolutely free. Here, you will have access to several resources, including unedited videos, audiobooks, exercises, flashcards, and regular interaction with me. We will also have Q&A and conversation sessions live on Zoom twice a month. Again, all of this 100% free. I look forward to see you there. Adios.